Hello. This is Unit 14, pages 34 and 35 of Learn As You Play Flute. We're going to look at compound time here. Compound time simply means that the note lengths change in proportion to the beat. So quavers become worth 1 count, crotchets become worth 2 counts, dotted crotchets become worth 3 counts, and dotted minims become worth 6 counts. The quavers are grouped in 2 lots of 3 per bar, rather than, as in 2/4 and 4/4 and 3/4, quavers tend to be grouped in 2s. In compound time, they're grouped in 3s. Common compound times are 6/8, 9/8 and 12/8. I'll just play the compound time signature exercise at the top. You'll be able to hear it. I'll count it in as well. There are 3 repeated bars using different forms of the compound time, all in 6/8, but the first bar uses quavers, the second bar utilises crotchets and quavers, and the third bar utilises dotted crotchets. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The best way to think about this is think status quo or blues. Well, status quo are a bit faster than that, but anyway, you'll get the idea. Exercise 1 has all quavers, more or less, grouped in 2 lots of 3 each bar. What I tend to do is emphasize the first of every 3. So emphasize the first quaver beat 1 and the 4th quaver beat 4. Exercise 2 is a bit different because it utilizes crotchets and quavers, and it has slurred crotchets to quavers. Here we go. Exercise 3 has slurred quavers, 3 slurred quavers, followed by a dotted crotchet. Remember, the dotted crotchet is worth 3 quaver counts. Okay. Okay. The pieces on page 35 are Marmot by Beethoven and a duet by Berbigue. I'll play Marmot first. Be careful, it has an F sharp in the key signature. So the piece is in E minor key. And it has slurred quavers, but it's all in 6/8 time. And it has an anacrusis, an upbeat, to begin with. The duet is in 4 two-line systems. No repeats, slurred quavers in 3s, and slurred dotted crotchet to dotted crotchet. I'll play the student part, which is the top line of each system. It's marked MP dolce, so moderately soft and sweetly. And it's marked also andante grazioso, which means at a graceful walking speed. Okay, there's a marking on line 2 with FZ. Simply means, it's similar to sforzando, but it simply means reinforced a lot. So you've got to attack is a G. So you have to attack that bar. I'll play the previous bar and that bar. Okay. I'll now play the teacher part. So you might like to play the pupil part at the same time as I'm playing this. Okay. Just be careful with the student part in that piece. Third line, third bar has C sharps. Both the C's there are C sharp. So you have an accidental before the first C sharp, but not before the second. But it's still going to be a C sharp because remember, an accidental affects all the notes played on that pitch until the end of the bar, which then cancels out the accidental. Okay, I hope that's been useful for you. Bye-bye.